Hey everyone, my name is Muhammad Asim. Welcome back to my channel. Everything Info and Tech. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that will help you get from 0 to 1 million views on YouTube. These are tried and tested methods that have worked for many successful YouTubers, and I'm sure they will work for you too. So, let's get started. 1. Create quality content. The first and most important tip is to create quality content. Your content should be interesting, informative, and engaging. Make sure that your videos are well edited and that the audio and visuals are of high quality. Take the time to research your topic and present it in a way that is unique and captivating. 1. Optimize your video for search. Optimizing your video for search is crucial if you want to get more views. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. This will help your video appear in search results when people are looking for content on your topic. Make sure your title and description are accurate and descriptive, so people know what to expect from your video. 1. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing people see when they come across your video. Use eye-catching and relevant thumbnails that will make people want to click on your video. Make sure your thumbnails are clear and high quality, and that they accurately represent the content of your video. 1. Promote your video. Promoting your video is another way to get more views. Share your video on your social media channels, your website, and any other platforms where your target audience is active. You can also collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to promote each other's content. 1. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial if you want to build a loyal following on YouTube. Respond to comments, answer questions, and ask for feedback. This will help you build a relationship with your audience and keep them coming back for more. 1. Post consistently. Posting consistently is important if you want to keep your audience engaged. Set a schedule for your videos and stick to it. This will help your audience know when to expect new content from you and keep them coming back for more. Conclusion. So, those are my top tips and tricks for getting from 0 to 1 million views on YouTube. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful channel, but if you follow these tips and stay consistent, you will see results. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Everything Info and Tech for more tips and tricks on YouTube success.